In early May of 2013, myself, along with friends Justin, Duane, and Yvonne, headed to Silver Dollar City for a photo and video shoot on their new, for 2013, Outlaw Run coaster. The first day of the trip, we were taken around to some parts of the ride to get some shots. However, the following day was going to be the main day to capture some more off-ride shots taken from the main valley that the ride sits in. We were very excited, but Mother Nature had other plans for us for that second day.
Hi.
Hi, Duane. Hi, Justin.
Hey.
Where are we at, first of all?
Sunny Silver Dollar City.
And what's happening?
Flakes. If I look at the weather report for home, it's 80 degrees and sunny.
It's 75 today in Columbus, it says.
I bet it's hotter in England. I bet it's hotter in London, and everyone moans about our weather.
Oh, there it is. Officially, it's snowing. And what are we doing? We're going to the park.
We're going out in it.
What day is it?
Oh.
May.
Oh, yes. May 3rd, is it?
May
not?
3rd, snow.
We have a great time today in the snow. We're snow fire.
Hi.
Hi!
What
Here
are we doing?
Driving in the snow, going to ride coasters, yay!
You weren't expecting this coming from Texas.
No, so fun, yay! Oh my.
The final day of the trip provided us with some challenges. The park was closed for the day, but they still offered us a chance to record on ride as well as to try and make up for some of the shots we didn't get the previous day due to the weather. The park put out a will call to other employees and residents of Branson to be extra riders for a few rides. Justin and I took the time before the riders arrived to record POV from the front and back rows. Once we had a full train of riders, Duane was able to fly his drone while Justin was taking shots from the bottom of the first drop area. I had one of Justin's DLSRs duct taped to my hand to safely get the reverse POV shots you are looking at right now. Duane's shots from the drone turned out so well that the park still uses some of those shots in their promotional stuff. If you look very close, you may be able to pick me out in those shots. I was sitting in the second row holding up the camera facing in reverse. This was a big ride not only for Silver Dollar City, but for the ride's manufacturer, RMC, as well. Not only was this the first ever ground-up RMC to use the Topper Trek technology, but RMC introduced their prototype trains on this coaster also. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see here, please subscribe, give me a like, share, or whatever you would like. Until next time.